Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off AOD on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A54 and you want to use always on display on your Samsung Galaxy screen, when the screen goes dark or when the screen is off, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or turn off AOD on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung device. On the settings page, scroll down, locate lock screen and AOD, and then click on that. Now, for you to turn on AOD or always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A54, locate always on display and then toggle this on. Now, you should see always on display on. Now, the next thing you want to do to change your always on display on your device is click on always on display itself. You can now scroll down. Then, what do you want to show on the Samsung Galaxy A54 screen as AOD? First, if you want to show music information, so that if you are playing music on your Samsung device, this is going to show the music information on the screen. Then go ahead and turn on show music information. Now, when to show your always on display, click on it. Maybe you want to select this to always, tap to show as schedule or for new notifications. So here, I prefer to use tap to show so that each time I click on the Samsung Galaxy A54 screen, the AOD is going to pop. You see that? So if you want to set it to always, select always. And your Samsung Galaxy A54 AOD is going to be active at all time. So this depends on your choice, and once you're done, just go ahead and then exit the AOD page. Now to turn the always on display off or AOD, just come to lock screen and AOD from the main settings page, then disable always on display, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off AOD or always on display on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.